Apartment hunting abroad isn't always glossy brochures and perfect lighting. Sometimes it's a foreclosed unit in a great neighborhood with no electricity and whatever daylight you've got left. Today, we're taking you on a tour of a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath foreclosed unit that was listed for $308,000 in Embassy Village here in Clayton, Panama, using my phone light and a little imagination when it's dark. Because if you're seriously considering moving abroad, these are the kinds of properties and the conditions you need to know exist. The reality on the ground, the good and the bad. Are these situations deal breakers? Absolutely not. But you need to be aware of the hidden gems, possibilities, and some of the real scouting conditions. Welcome to Embassy Village in Clayton, Panama. Hello, my name is Aisha. I travel the world with cerebral palsy, sharing the real side of expat life, honest travel tips, and my journey towards multiple citizenships. At 46, I left my career as a utility director and moved to Panama. 31 countries and counting, I'm proving life abroad has no limits. As we enter this apartment, you're in the living room, which has 2 windows. Right next to the living room is the kitchen. You would have to purchase the kitchen appliances and apparently the kitchen sink too. The laundry and maid's room is right next to the kitchen, and as you can see, you would also have to purchase the washer and dryer. The maid's room has a full bathroom and a window. Right after the living room, you have the hallway for the bedrooms. The first room is a half bath which has a vanity. Next to the half bath is one of the bedrooms, which has its own full bathroom and an AC unit above the balcony doors. It has a built-in entertainment unit and storage space that has 2 sets of closets, 8 drawers, and 3 cabinets for storage. The next bedroom has 1 window with an AC unit above it and some closet space. It doesn't have its own bathroom. The next bedroom is down the hallway, directly in front of the living room. The hallway has closets along its length. The third bedroom also has a balcony. I just love looking out at green spaces. This bedroom has central air, unlike the other 2. So I have to be honest, recording this bathroom was pure torture for me because I didn't have any light, and this bathroom was quite unique. There are closets to the left and the toilet is in its own little nook across from the closets. It has a bathtub and his and her sinks across from the tub with some shelving. As we walk further down, you'll find more closet space and the shower is located right after the bathtub. Let me know in the comments what you think about this apartment layout. Before we show you a bit on the building and amenities, let's take a look at the view which is over the pool. Embassy Village is a gated community. This is a 6-story building that has a garage. Although I didn't have the opportunity to record them, the village offers a fitness center, game room, tennis courts, and more. The pool area has ample space and seating with a few tables with umbrellas. They have a spacious bathroom for the pool that has lockers, showers, and a baby changing station. They do have a disabled bathroom stall with a lot of space and handrails. Let me know in the comments if you would consider a foreclosure in Panama or not. Now that you've seen the apartment and a bit of the building, let's take a quick drive around Clayton so you can get a feel for the neighborhood. Clayton is one of the most unique areas in Panama City. Originally part of the former U.S. Canal Zone, this community still carries that quiet suburban feel. Wide streets, lots of trees, a level of calm you usually don't find in the city. As we drive through, you'll notice just how green it is. Clayton sits right next to the Metropolitan National Park and several protected forest areas, so you're always surrounded by nature. It's one of the reasons families, expats, and people looking for a slower pace love this area. Clayton is also home to some major institutions, including the City of Knowledge, a large innovation and research hub with universities, nonprofits, international organizations, cafes, and co-working spaces. It adds a really vibrant international vibe to this otherwise quiet residential area. Here, you'll find everything from single-family homes to modern apartment buildings, plus playgrounds, walking trails, and some small convenience stores scattered throughout the community. It's peaceful, safe, and feels almost like living in a small town, just 10 to 15 minutes away from downtown Panama City. So whether you're looking for a more private residential lifestyle, or you just want to live closer to the greenery, Clayton is one of those neighborhoods that offers the best of both worlds, tranquility and convenience. I want to give a special shout out to the channel members, those who have donated through PayPal, and to those who have commented, liked, and shared my videos. Your support means more than you know. Gracias! If you enjoyed this video, watch this one up next. And remember, the world is yours. You just have to find your place in it.